the bar. He keeps trying to catch my eye. I stare right back. He doesn't know the reason I'm smiling. Because it was you who let me fall. Another guy so easily. You see, and now that other guy's standing here, looking right back at me. It's so sweet, but you walked in too late. Can't pull him away. Now he wants to stay. I guess that wasn't your plan. 'Cause I got your boyfriend, I got your man. So tell me, how does it feel to be so broken-hearted? Never thought you'd be the one he's going to leave. Ain't it a shame to see how much your boyfriend likes me, baby? How does it feel to be so broken-hearted? How does it feel to be falling apart? Yeah, and it's so plain to see how much your boyfriend likes me, baby. Yeah. Never would imagine that you would ever let me go. No. Thought we were so perfect, but I guess I was wrong. I know. Yeah, I know. Your love was so intoxicating. One kiss and I was high. So high. It ended in that moment when someone else caught your eye. Yeah, it did. It's ironic, you see, 'cause you left me and now you're all alone. And it's amusing to me, 'cause your boy is with me, and that's how it goes. So tell me, how does it feel to be so broken-hearted? Never thought you'd be the one he's going to leave. Ain't it a shame to see how much your boyfriend likes me, baby? How does it feel to be so broken-hearted? How does it feel to be falling apart? Yeah, and it's so plain to see how much your boyfriend, how much he really likes me. How does it feel when your world comes crashing down? When your heart's betrayed and there's no one around? How's it feel when all you love just dies? Oh, save your tears, I don't care. 'Cause your man, he's coming home with me tonight. Yeah. How does it feel to be so broken-hearted? How does it feel to be falling apart? Yeah, ain't it a shame to see how much your boyfriend, how much he really likes me? Yeah. And now who's all alone? And that's just the way it goes. That's right, I'm taking your boyfriend home.